Hey friends! Get set for a cool message display that you can take anywhere. Imagine it showing your name at your birthday party. Super fun, right? Let's check it out with Menu L112 on our Schogini Toys DIY Kit. First, make sure you're at Menu L112. If you're not sure how to get there, our menu navigation video is a super helper. Once you are there, give the joystick a press, and your message will start to scroll across the screen. Cool, right? If you're eager to see your message and don't want to wait, just nudge the joystick to the left, and your message will zoom into view. Remember, you can make your own message with Menu L111, save it, and it'll show up here. To leave the menu, just slide the joystick to the left. And guess what? Your DIY kit remembers your menu selection. So even if you turn it off and back on, you will be on Menu L112. Just press the joystick, and there it goes again. Let's light up your words. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.